Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Hello everyone, warmly welcome with the holiday season just around the corner. It's time to add a touch of natural elegance to your Christmas decoration. In today's video, we are diving into the world of Pinecone decor, combining tradition with trending ideas to create a festive atmosphere that's both charming and on point. So, dear viewers, as we gather around the cozy air fireplace for festive dinner tables, let's explore some beautiful and unique ways to incorporate pine cone into your Christmas decor. So, dear viewers, but before we jump into the crafting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on my creative ideas. So, dear friends, there are something inherently magical about the rustic charm of the pine cone. Being your decor journey by embracing their natural beauty. Arrange them in a ball of weave them into a wreath for an effortlessly elegant centerpiece. This timeless approaches not only capture the spirit of the season but also add a touch of nature to your festive setting. For a touch of glamour, let's dive into the glittering world of the pine cone transformations. So, dear viewers, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you for joining us today. If you are enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other holiday themed content. Thanks for watching.